What is transportation? Transportation is the process of moving from one place to another, be it by road, by land, by air, or by water. When we say by water, that's when you travel by boat, ship, or ferry. And when we talk about road, that's when you travel by car, by motorbike, bicycle. That's another means of transportation. And when we say by air, that's when you travel by a private jet, by helicopter or aeroplane. So transportation is a key factor to any developing economy. So this is goods being transported by the rail network. This is a good rail network. When we're talking about development in any country, transportation is the key factor. This is the rail transportation, goods and services being transported on the rail network. This is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. We will bring developments to you, our audience, so that you can compare within our own country, Nigeria, and other developed countries. This is Koiki Media once again, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.